Scene opens with a man frantically getting ready another Monday morning, another battle against the clock. You know the feeling, right? You hit snooze one too many times, and suddenly you're in a mad dash. Keys. Check. Wallet. Check. Briefcase. Check. And the most important fuel for the day. A freshly brewed, piping hot coffee. The aroma alone is the only thing keeping you going. You burst out the door, the bright morning sun almost blinding you. The city is already buzzing, a symphony of honking cars and distant sirens. You're a man on a mission. Scene shifts to him running on the sidewalk, you're weaving through the morning crowd like a pro. A blur of determination, briefcase in one hand, precious coffee in the other. Each step is a calculated risk. You're making good time, a silent prayer of please let me make it on your lips. The office is just a few blocks away. You can almost taste the victory. And the coffee. You take a triumphant sip. The warm liquid, a small reward for your morning marathon. The city reflections gleam on the pavement, a beautiful, chaotic mosaic. Slow motion scene of him tripping and spilling the coffee, and then it happens. That one uneven paving stone, the one you didn't see. Your foot catches, and the world tilts into slow motion. Time stretches. Your briefcase flies one way, your body lurches forward. But your eyes are locked on the coffee. You watch in horror as the cup leaves your hand, a perfect arc of dark liquid against the bright morning sky. It splashes onto the concrete in a beautiful, tragic explosion. A masterpiece of disaster. For a split second, you freeze. The loss is immense, but then you remember, you're still late. Be dull. Without missing a beat, you scramble back up, grab your briefcase, and keep running, leaving the coffee carnage behind. Because sometimes, you just have to keep moving forward, even when you spill your coffee. That, my friends, is dedication. Thanks for watching this little slice of morning madness. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.